This module begins the equipment setup section. In the equipment section, we talk all about how to actually set up the equipment on a project. We'll be taking some of the information that we've learned from other sections and putting it to use here. We'll discuss power management, dehumidifier and air mover setup, and heat application. Air filtration was already covered in the section Minimize Particulate Aerosolization. First, we're going to start with power management. The equipment that we use for water damage requires a lot of electricity, and so for that reason, power management is an important skill set to develop. If you don't manage electricity properly, at the least, you're just going to be very frustrated by the fact that all the breakers are overloaded, and at the worst, you could create a very unsafe work environment. Knowing how best to utilize the power that you have and how to find it is key to making sure that you can either put all the equipment on the project that needs to be there and find the electricity needed, or realize that you don't have enough power and look for new alternative ways of getting power into the building. A good water restoration tech is also a good power management tech. I'm going to show you how to figure out how much power your equipment needs, how much power the building is going to give you, and what to do if you can't find the power you need.